Hello, can I start it? Yes, let me start it. Yeah, 1 minute. 2 minutes. I'm sharing the screen. Let me share the screen. I need you to share the screen. Fine. Yeah. Students, please tell me what we discussed yesterday. Will you people tell me which topic we discussed yesterday? Can anyone repeat whatever the topics we discussed yesterday? Can you people help me to recall it again? Stack na? Answer. We discussed about the stack na? Yesterday we discussed about the stack. Stack working on which principle? Stack working on which principle? Can anyone tell me? Stack working on one principle, then that principle we can call the LIFO. LIFO, L-I-F-O. LIFO stands for what? LIFO stands for what? LIFO stands for last in, first out. Coming to the LIFO, LIFO stands for last in, first out. Fine. To work with the LIFO, to work with the LIFO, to work with the stack, we have some ready-made facility available. We have some ready-made facility available here. Some predefined methods are there. We have the predefined method. Let me do one example with the predefined method. Later, we need to go for the our own coding also. Both the things we will do. Fine. Go to the online compiler. We need to go to the online compiler. Here we need to go for the here we need to go for the one compiler. Yeah. Can you tell the theoretical information also? Will you people tell the theoretical information? What's the theoretical information? What's the topic? Stack. Stack working on which principle? LIFO. One. LIFO stands for what? LIFO stands for what? Last in, first out. Last in, first out. Fine. And another thing. And another thing, one example with the ready-made methods. We will do one example with the ready-made method and another example. And here we need to go for another example. That example with here we need to go for another example. That example with the predefined our own code. Our own code we need to see it. So how we need to handle? Fine. Stack with what? Stack with the ready-made methods. Fine. Students, I'm requesting you how to create object to the stack. I want you to create an object to the stack. Can anyone help me how to create an object to the stack? Stack. Here we need to pass integer stack equal to stack equal to which one? New stack of say this one. So this is the way to create the object to the stack. This is the simplest way to create object to the stack. Tim, can you tell me how to create the object to the stack? Stack integer stack equal to new stack. Automatically we will create object to the stack. This stack available in which package? This stack available in which package? Util package. Whatever the stack we have, the stack available in util package. Now, how to push the data? We need to push the data. How we can push the data? Yeah. How to push the data? Tim, can you tell me what is the ready-made method we have? What is the ready-made method we have? We have one ready-made method. The ready-made method we can call push method. What is the ready-made method? Push method. Say this one. It is used to do. It is used to do push elements to. It is used to do push. It is used to do push elements to stack. So how to push it? Here stack dot what? Push of what? 10. Stack dot push of 10. Not only 10, we need to push 20 also. Stack dot push of 20. And we need to push another element also. Stack dot push of what? 30. And we need to push another element also. Stack dot push of what? 40. And we need to push another element also. Stack dot push of what? 50. Stack dot push of 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Simply, we need to push it. Fine. And one more thing. And one more thing is let me go through the another thing here. How to print the stack. We should be in a position we need to print the stack. How we can print the stack? Hmm. How we can print the stack? Println stack. Automatically, we are able to print the stack here. And run the code. Whatever the code we have, this code we need to run. Yes, automatically, what is the answer? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Which element pushed initially? 10. Next, 20. Next, 30. Next, 40. Next, 50. Fun. Team, do this fun. Do this ready-made operation. Do this one thing. Do the push operation. Simply, we need to do the push operation. I'm requesting everyone. Do this one. I'm requesting everyone. Please do that one. So this one we can call push operation. Whatever the operation we have, then that operation we can call the push operation. Now go to the peak operation. Does anyone completed? Does anyone completed? Please tell me. Nagesh, please put the focus on the code itself. Nagesh, please put the focus on the code itself. That is the default nature. Roy, that is the default nature. So that is the default nature here. We can't change that one here. Fine. Next one. Here we need to perform the ucha operation, peak operation. Fine. So what is the peak operation? Here we should be in a position. We need to do the peak operation. Fine. Remove top element. Not remove. Just to see the top element. Peak in the sense we need to read the top element. How we can read the top element? We should be in a position we need to see the top element. How we can see the top element? Stack dot which one peak. Fine. Here int top element into top element. Print only top element. Here we should be in a position we need to print the top element. How we can print here? Print ln top element. Fine. Not only top element, I wanted to print stack again. I wanted to print stack again here. If I print stack again, what happen we will see. So this is what, this is the top element. Next one, this is what, uh, after the peak also, no problem to the original stack. Team, just to do this one. Why we use the push method? Anshika, to push data to the stack, to add data to the stack, then we will use push method. Anshika, okay na? Anshika, are you there? Yeah? Are you there now? You are asking like why push method? Push method is used to add the data to the stack. Anshika, are you there, Anshika? Yes. Anshika, I want you to read top element. Mm. Anshika, this is the today is the this is the first session. Like we didn't done in the yesterday. Why peak method? Peak method is used to read the top element. So what is the top element? 50. Got it? Push method. Why push method? It is used to add data to the stack. Peak method. Why peak method? Used to why peak method? Used to read the top element. It is used to read the top element. Then we need to go for the peak method. Okay, na? Fine. Next one. And one more thing. Let me go through the another thing here. Nagesh, what is the top element? Yogesh. What happened here? Why you people are feeling like difficulty this one? Like a stack is simple, na? Stack in the sense like a last in first out. Last in first out. Then that one we can call the stack. We will see the other methods also. We will see the other methods also. Why peak method to read the 50. Okay, na? Fine. Next one. And another thing. And another thing is the now delete to top element. Here, so this is the top element. Na? This is the top element. I want to delete to top element. So how we can delete to top element? Fine. Here, delete. Here, what we need to delete? Delete which element? Top element. Fine. So How to delete the top element? We need to delete the top element. Stack dot which one? Pop. Stack dot pop. Automatically we can delete the top element here. Fine. Now, and it will return the top element also. How to catch it? Int top. Fine. Print top also. We need to print the top. How to print it? Println. Println of what? Top. After printing, once again print the stack. Stack. See this one. Pop is used to delete the element. Coming to the pop. Pop is used to delete the element. Say this one. 50 deleted successfully. After deleting the 50, what is the answer now? Answer is the 10, 20, 30, 40. Now the answer is the what is the answer here? 10, 20, 30, 40. Fine. Next one. See this one. I want to perform search operation. Here coming to here, I wanted to perform the search operation. Whether 30 available or not. How to perform the search operation? Here say this one. Here we should be in a position. We need to print the search operation here. How to perform the search operation? Into position. Into position equal to stack dot which operation? Search operation. Search of what? Search of 30. Search of 30. I need to check 30 available or not. If 30 available, in which position it is available. So we need to check it. Here we should be in a position. We need to copy this one here. We need to place it. Copy and paste. What you wanted to place? Position. What you wanted to print? We should be in a position. We need to place the position. Now try to see the another thing here. One more thing is the now run the code. Yes, the position is the 2. So the position is the what is the position here? 0, 1, 2. 0, 1, 2. So this is the position we're able to see. I wanted to check whether it is a empty or not. I wanted to check whether it is a empty or not. So how to check it? I wanted to check whether it is a empty or not. How to check it? Here, Boolean. Boolean flag equal to here what you wanted to place stack dot what's the method name is empty method. We have one method here. What is the method here? Is empty method. This method is used to check whether the stack is empty or not. Now here we need to print a flag. Now click what? Run button. Is false. False in the sense it's not empty. Fine. Next one. I want to know number of elements. Try to know the number of elements. How to know the number of elements? Stack dot which one? Stack dot which one? Size. Stack dot size here. Here which one we need to place? Int. Int. Total number of element. Hmm. Print total number of elements. How to print the total number of element? Here we should be in a position. We need to print the total number of element. Total elements. Now, how many elements are there? 4 elements are there. Fine. Yeah, students, so why you people are feeling like a difficulty? It's not that difficulty now. It's not at all difficult. You people are feeling like a difficulty. How to create an object to the stack? Stack equal to new stack. Automatically, we are able to create object to the stack. Next one. And another thing. How to push the data? We need to push the data. How we can push the data? Stack dot push automatically we are able to push the data here. Fine. Whatever we have here, automatically we are able to push the data, not an issue here. This is nothing but pushing the data. Now, and another thing, how to perform peak operation. We need to perform the peak operation. Why peak operation? Why peak operation used to read the top element. In order to read the top element, then we need to go for the peak operation here. Next one, and another thing. And another thing is the how to delete the top element with the help of what? Pop. This pop is used to delete the top element. And how to perform the search operation, like whether the element available or not. How to perform the search operation? Search. And how to check whether the stack is empty or not. With the help of what? Is empty. How to know the number of elements? With the help of size. Fine. Team, just to do this one. Just to do this one, check the output. You run the code. First of all, execute the code, guys. Then I will tell the real-time example where we are using in the real time. I will let you know. First of all, execute at least one or two examples. Everyone, I'm requesting everyone, please execute it. Please raise the hand whoever completed with the ready-made methods. These methods we can call the ready-made methods. At least if half of the members done, then I will go for the another example. Once completed, once a few people completed, give the confirmation to me. Just to give me the 2 minutes of time. Team at least half of the members need to do this coding. Anyone done? Can I go for the manual coding instead of this one? Just wait here, let me download it. Do we have any option to download it? Download. Team, I'm sharing the coding file also. Just go through that one. I sent the coding file also. Whatever the coding file we have, the coding file also we sent out. Let's go through that one. And another thing. And another thing. Let me go for the code manually. The stack operation I need to perform manually. So how we can perform stack operation manually? Just to refresh this code. Whatever the code we have, this code we need to refresh it or try to refresh it. Fine. Not only one class, we can create another class also. We can create a multiple Java classes also, not an issue. In this Java class, just delete this line. Just to delete this line. Whatever the line we have, this line we need to delete it. Whatever the line we have here, that line we need to delete it. We can create another class also. We are able to create another class also. Try to create another class also. What is the class I need to create? The class is the class, which class? My stack. Here we should be in a position. We need to create one more class here. The class is the which class here? Class my stack. Fine. Now, how many classes we created? Here, how many classes we created? We created the two classes. What is the first class? Main class. What is the second class? My stack class. Here, nearly we created the two classes. Take three variables, instance variables, instance variables. Now, how to take instance variables? We need to take the instance variables. How to take it? Private, private int max size. Private into max size. Next one. Here, private into array, we need to place another thing here. One more thing is the stack array. Not only this one, we can take anything. Private into top. So team, how many variables we taken here? Can you tell how many variables we taken here? Three variables we taken here. What is the first variable? Max size variable. What is the second variable? What is the second variable? Stack array. What is the third variable? Top. So whatever the variables we have, then these variables we can call instance variables. To write code manually, I need to take three variables. Fine. Because any initialization here, any initialization we done, did we done any initialization here? No, we didn't done any initialization, but I wanted to do the initialization. How to do the initialization? We need to do the initialization. How to do the initialization? Public which one? My stack. Public my stack. And here which one we wanted to pass? We need to pass the size. And this one we can call constructor. Whatever we have, this one we can call constructor. And whatever we have, this one we can call the constructor. Why constructor? Constructor used to initialize. constructor used to initialize instance variables. So that's why we need to take the constructor here. Fine. Whatever the size we have, that size I want to store to max size. Fine. Just to wait here. Some people are completely new, no issue, but to try to say this one. Max size equal to size. Fine. This max size, I need to pass it to array. How we can pass to array here? How we can pass it to array here? Can anyone tell me how we can pass to array here? Stack array equal to, we need to pass to array. Stack array equal to, which one you wanted to pass? New int. New int of, here we need to pass the max size. And here we need to take the top. Initially, we need to take the top value. Top equal to which one we need to place? -1. Here, whatever the top we have, that the top equal to -1 we need to place. Just let me highlight the points. I need to highlight the points, so no need to worry here. Just simply we need to highlight it. Point number 1. Who don't know core Java also try to say this one. We can create more than one class. As a Java developer, we are able to create more than one class. Fine. Now say this one. So this is the class 1 and this is the class 2. And can you please explain again how many classes we are able to create? How many classes we are able to create? We are able to create how many classes? 2 classes we are able to create. First one, main class. First one is the main class. Second one is the my stack class. So happily we are able to create the 2 classes. But one class must be what? A public class. And another point. In class level, I need, not class level, I need some variables. Here we need some variables. What is the first variable? Max size. What is the second variable? Stack array. What is the third variable? Top. We need variables. These 3 variables I wanted to initialize with the help of a constructor. So this one we can call the constructor. So with the help of constructor, we are able to initialize these 3 variables. For example, I will pass size dynamically. I will pass a size dynamically. So that a size of stored to where? Max size. That a max size of stored to where? That a max size of stored to where? 1 second. One more thing. One more thing is the this size, whatever the size is there, that size of store to where? Max size. This max size we need to pass to what? Stack array. And the top equal to what? Top equal to -1. Fine. Next one. Here we need to go for the one operation. Which operation? The operation is the which operation? Push operation. Manual push operation. We need to go for the manual push operation here. Fine. For example, top equal to -1. The meaning is the stack is full. Stack is full. So how to do this one? For example, create one method. Public void which method? Push method. Here we have the some value. Which value? Int value. Fine. Take the condition. Here we need to take the condition. Which condition? If top equal to max size equal to -1. Here we need to go for the println. Println which one? Stack is full. Stack is full. Else. Else which one we need to place? We need to increment the stack array and we need to add the element. How we can add a stack array? Stack array. Which one we need to place? plus top. Equal to which one you wanted to place? Value. Simply we need to place the value here. Fine. Now, team see this one. Whoever getting the clarity here, please try to say this one. Here I wanted to create an object to the my stack. Fine. First of all, let me execute the code. Then I will tell the internal flow here. What is happening, I will tell you. Fine. Here, how to create the object. Here we need to create the object. My stack equal to which one? New my stack. The size equal to 5. Here we have the size. The size equal to what? Size equal to 5. Now, whatever the 5 we have, team say this one. Whatever the 5 we have, that 5 stored to size. Fine. That size stored to max size. That max size we pass it to array. Finally, the array size. This is the array here. Finally, the array size is the 5. Fine. Students, anyone get the clarity? Flow. You people need to know the flow here. Fine. Can you tell the flow here? Can you tell the flow here? You people need to tell the flow. Can you people tell the flow here? For example, see this one. This is the 5 now. That 5 stored to where? Size. Fine. This is size stored to where? Whatever the size we have. This is size stored to where? Max size. This max size map to where? Stack. Finally, the size of this array is the 5. So this is the size. Remember that one. Do I need to repeat again this one? Do I need to repeat this one? Anyone? Do I need to repeat this flow? Anyone? I will send the code again. Fine. Next one. Here the stack created successfully. Whatever the stack we have, the stack created successfully. Now create which function, call which method. We need to call one method here. Which method we need to call? We need to call one method here. Then that method we can call the push method. Here we need to call one method here. Then that method we can call the push method. How to call the push method? Stack dot which method? Push method. Push of what? 10. 10. Automatically we can push it up. Whatever the stack we have, that stack we need to push it up. Fine. I think, I hope here we can add the one message. Element added to stack. Element added to stack. So which element? This element. Now run the code. What is the problem? Where is the max size? Why it is showing the error here? Private into max size. For top equal to -1. Max size -1, not this one. See this one. Top equal to max size -1. Now run the code again. What happened? We'll say yes. Element added to stack. Which element added? 10 added. Like this also, add another element. I need to add another element here. Add another element. Which element? 20. Add another element. Which element? 30. Add another element. Which element? 40. Add another element. Which element? 50. Now run the code and we need to check the output. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Can I add the one more element? Is it possible to add the another element? No. We can't add any other element here. So what is the message we are getting? Stack is full. Fine. Now team say this one. You people need to say this one. This 10 store to where? Value. Whatever the 10 we have, that 10 store to value. For example, top equal to max size -1, because array index starts with the 0. If a top equal to max size minus 1. So at that time, which message we need to place? Stack is full. Else, what we need to do? Else, what we need to do? This value we need to add it to where? Stack array. We need to increment what? Top. So what we need to do? Value. This value added to where? Stack array. Fine. Now, team, just to do this one, I'm requesting you please to do this one. Yogesh, plus means arithmetic operation, addition, plus means addition, minus means subtraction, minus means subtraction. You know, last time also you asked what is plus or minus something. Everyone, I'm requesting everyone, please execute the code. Everyone, I'm requesting here. Don't take the much time. Just to take the 10 minutes of time and execute the code. Mr. Yogesh, it will add this value to this string, appending. Yogesh, you are asking like what plus, what is the plus? It will append this value to string. That is called as the plus. You need to tell Yogesh in a real life. In real life, you asked some different questions. Yogesh, team, whoever completed, please give the confirmation. If you people done the execution, please give the confirmation. Do it fast, everyone. I'm requesting everyone. Everyone need to execute the code. So stack operations manually, manual coding. Can I continue with the pop operation or can I wait? Anyone done this one? Can I continue? Can I continue, team? Yes. No. Please try to see the pop operation. This operation, what do you call? Push operation. Then let me go for the pop operation. How to write the pop operation? Simply, we need to write the pop operation here. How we can write the pop operation? Public, say this one here. Here, public, hmm, public, which one we need to place? Hmm, Public. So what we need to place? Public return type is the int. Which one we need to place? Pop. Funny. If top equal to -1. Team -1 in the sense, in the stack -1 in the sense, stack is empty. If a stack is empty, we can't perform pop operation. So here what we need to do? Println. Println, say this one here, stack. Stack is empty. Stack is empty here. And so we can't perform it. And here we need to place what? Return. Return what you wanted to place. Here we should be in a position return minus 1. Simply we need to do plus return minus 1. Else condition. So what is the else condition? Else condition is the return stack array. Stack array. Here we need to do pass top minus minus. So automatically top element will be removed. Fine. For example, if a top value is minus 1, whatever the top value we have, if a top value is minus 1, at that time we can say stack is the empty. Fine. So it will return what? Minus 1. And another thing, so if elements are available, remove top element and return top element. Remove top element and we need to return top element here. So how to do this one here? We need to do this one here. Here we should be in a position we need to do this one here. Here which one we need to perform? Stack dot which one? Pop up. So it will return what? Int. Int result. Fine. Here if result equal to minus 1. If a result equal to minus 1, here we need to place, here we need to place stack is, no need to place the this message. Else element removed successfully. Element removed successfully. Which element? Dot result. So say this one, which one is removed successfully? 50. So I hope it's not to place this kind of messages here. No, I hope it's not recommended. Then wait here. Never place the int, then place the void here. Directly we can place the void. Why we need to do place minus 1 or something? On the code again. Yes. No. Call the pop again. Call the pop again. Here we need to call the pop again. Here we need to call the pop again. And here we need to call the pop again. And here we need to call the pop again. So stack is empty. But we can't remove. Only we can remove only 5 elements. If I try to remove any other element, then we can get the stack is empty. Fine. Team, try to do this one. Try to do the pop operation also. Remove the pop operation also. What are the pop operation we have? Remove the pop operation also. Do the pop operation. Everyone, then take the 5 to 10 minutes of time. Execute the code along with me. Which operation completed? Then this is the which operation? Pop operation. Anyone completed? Runs completed. Give the confirmation. Mr. Nagesh. Mr. Nagesh, you are sending my screenshot, na? Or which screenshot you are sending? Nagesh, what you are sending, man? As it is like a font to same thing you are maintaining. What man? Nagesh. Team, can I go to the peak operation? Team, can I go for the peak operation? Peak operation in the sense reading top element. Peak operation in the sense we need to read the top element. Reading the top element we can call peak operation. So how to do it? Here, can I enter with the peak operation or do I need to wait? Respond. You people need to respond. You people need to respond. Can I go to the peak operation? Respond or can I wait? Yeah. How to do the peak operation? It's very simple. Fine. If a no element we need to show. If a no element we need to show what stack is empty. How to check it? Public, which one? Int. into which one? Peak. Public into peak. Say this one. If top equal to -1. -1. Here we need to place. Here we need to go for the println. Println. Println stack is empty. And here we need to return -1. What you wanted to return? Return -1. Fine. And else condition. And else condition, which else condition? We have the else condition here. Else condition is the return. Stack array. Stack array of what? Top. Whatever the top we have here, that the top element we need to return here. Simply, we need to return the top element. Return stack array dot top. So, guys, what is the peak operation? Reading top element. Reading top element we can call the peak operation. So, how to call it? We need to call it. Comment this one. Int top element equal to stack dot peak. Print to top element. How we can print? Println top. Yes. Automatically we are able to print the top element. Fine. Team, check that one. Do the peak operation. Team, everyone needed to do it. Then it is the empty. -1 in the sense it is the empty. We can't perform the peak operation. So that is the meaning of that one. I'm requesting everyone do the peak operation. So this is the peak operation code, and this is the way to test the code. Reading the top element, we can call peak operation. Team child and everyone needed to do it. Everyone needed to do the peak operation. Whoever completed, please raise the thumbs up symbol. Then I needed to go for another operation. I will share it. Neha, I will share the complete code. Please raise the thumbs up symbol. Whoever done the coding up to now. At least we need the more people. Out of 500, at least we need the 200 members. Yeah. Can I wait or can I do the other operation? Do I need to wait or can I go to the other operation? Reply. Can I go to other operation? Yes. No. Let me go to the other operation. We should be in a position. We need to go to the another operation. Like is empty. I need to check is empty. How to write the code? Check empty or not. Fine. How to check it? Public boolean age empty. Fine. How to check it? Return top equal to -1. Fine. Here call this one. Call the is empty. How to call is empty here? We need to call is empty. Boolean flag equal to stack dot is empty. Flag. Simply we need to pass the flag. Run the code. Yes, answer is the false. False in the sense stack is not empty. Fine. Then team just to do the coding. Do that is empty coding also. the operations team. Let me download the code also. Now I'm sharing the complete coding file also. Go through this one. Main one. Team, I sent the code also. Then take the 5 to 10 minutes of time and I'm requesting you execute all the operations. Everyone, I'm requesting everyone need to execute it. I sent the complete code to team. I sent the complete code. Yogesh, middle code, like bottom element, middle element, X element, Y element, we can't. That is called as the stack. I'm requesting everyone, once executed, just to give the confirmation, then I will go to the another topic. Then I will move to the another topic. Once if you people completed, give the confirmation to me. Please raise the thumbs up symbol. Then I need to go for the other example. Yes, fine. Yeah. Team, at least to chat with me here. You people need to chat with me. Stack works on which principle? Stack. Stack work on which principle? Whatever the stack we have. The stack works on which principle? చెప్పాలి. Aniket, they will send it, Aniketa. Or just drop and join after 10 minutes, Aniketa. Aniketa, just drop and join after 10 minutes, then they will share it. Fine. Next one. Can you tell stack works on which principle? LIFO. LIFO stands for what? Last in, first order. Fine. Coming to the Q. Coming to the Q. Q works on FIFO. First in, first order. Coming to the Q works on FIFO. FIFO in the sense what? First in, first order. Fine. Now, let me go through some ready-made function. See this one. Now, we need to go through the one more example. The one more example is the Q. Q. Q works on which principle? FIFO. FIFO stands for what? First in, first out. FIFO stands for what? First in, first out. Whatever the FIFO we have, that FIFO stands for what? First in, first out. Fine. Now, how we need to work with the FIFO? Now try to say this one. I need to work with the predefined methods. Predefined methods. I don't want to go for my own coding. I don't want to go for my own coding. I wanted to use the predefined methods. So how? How we can use the predefined methods? How to create object to the queue? Queue. In this queue, I need to place integer values. Integer. Which one we need to place? Q. Equal to which one? Directly we can create object to the queue, not an issue. Otherwise, we can create object to the linked list also. Linked list also not an issue. Fine. Now, I think it's possible. It's a ready-made method here. Run the code. Integer spelling. Yes, no error here. Now, we need to add the element. How we can add the element here? Add element to Q. How we can add element to Q? Q dot add of what? 10. Fine. Next one. Q dot add of 20. 20, 30, 40, 50. I want to add 20. I want to add 30. I want to add 40. I want to add the 50. Print Q. I want to print the Q. How we can print println Q? Fine. Run the code. So automatically we are able to print the Q. Say this one. We will create object to the Q like this. Q equal to new linked list. So we can create it, not an issue. So this is the ready-made method. Fine. After that, how to add the element? To add the element, we have one ready-made method. What is that method? Add method. What we added? 10 added, 20 added, 30 added, 40 added, and 50 added. And after that, print the Q. Fine. Do along with me. I'm requesting you people, please do along with me. Everyone need to do along with me. Requesting everyone need to do the coding. We can, there is a ready-made method, money. That is the ready-made method. So predefined method we can create. Parent class reference can hold the child class object. Possibility is there. The q equal to new q also not an issue. Fine. Team, try to see this one, not only this one. For example, here we can add the element in another approach also. Q dot offer of 60. Q dot offer of 60. We can add element like this also. Yes, we can add. But what is the difference? For example, if Q is full, it will throw error. Error. Fine. If Q is full, it will throw the error. Which method? Add method. Fine. Next one. Coming to the offer method. Coming to the offer method, it will return what? False. It won't throw any error. Offer method will throw false if Q is full. To start this one. Everyone, I'm requesting everyone, please do this one. Next one. Go through the another thing here, not only this one. Read top element. Read top element without removing. Fine. Then that method we can call peak method. Whatever the method we have, then that method we can call the peak method. So how we need to do it? Int top element equal to q dot which one? Peak. Print it. How we can print it here? Println. Println which one? Top element. Automatically like a top element in the sense of this one, and after that print the whole queue. Whole queue I need to print it. Yes, just reading, not removing, just reading. And another thing, so this one we can call the removing. Next one, here we need to go for the remove element. remove element. So how to remove the element here? So q dot remove, catch the remove element and print the removed element. And after that, print the q again. Run the code again. Yes. So whatever the element we have, that element will be removed. Fine. Just to read only top element. To read only top element, then we have the peak. To remove element, we have the remove function. Everyone, I'm requesting everyone. And let me do the other operation also. I need to do the other operation also. One more operation. Like I need to check whether it is empty or not. How to check it? Boolean Boolean flag equal to Boolean flag equal to, here we have one ready-made method. Q dot is empty. Println flag. Yes. Next one. And another thing. And another thing is the not only this one. Find the number of elements. How to find int number of element. Int number of elements equal to q dot size. Number of elements. Now here we need to go through the run button. Yes, total number of elements are 5. We have the one more method also, poll method. Check this one. Remove the first element. If no, it will show the false. If no element, it will show the false here. Fine. Let me download it. Let me share this one also. Everyone, I'm requesting everyone, please execute this code also. I sent the code also. Please go through that one. In the chat box, I sent the code also. So everyone, I'm requesting you, please execute this code. Whoever completed? Anshika, please tell me. Anshika, please send the message to me. Q dot poll, it will remove the last element. If element not available, it will show the false instead of error. Shubham, say this one. For example, Q dot poll, it will remove element. If element not available, it will return the false. For example, remove is there. It will throw the error, but it will throw the false. Safer method. This one we can call the safe method. Whoever completed, anyone completed, please raise the hand. Please give the thumbs up symbol. Whoever completed. Whoever completed. I'm requesting you people to do the coding. Nothing, I think. Don't put the focus there itself. Shubham, these are the ready-made methods of Shubham, but we need to go for the manually. These things we need to try to manually also. Whatever we have here, these are the ready-made methods. Q, Samiksha, Q dot poll is used to remove the top element. Assume Q is empty. Q won't contain any element. If no element, it will return false. Instead of exception, it will return the false. That is called as the Q dot poll. Everyone, I'm requesting everyone. How many members completed? Please raise the thumbs up symbol. Already I sent the code. All the three codes I sent. Let me send it again. I sent the three files again. Please go through that one. Please tell your question here. Nagesh, just to put the focus here, Nagesh, poll is used to delete the element. Okay, na? Point number two. If Q is empty, then poll will throw the false. Instead of exception, it will throw the false. If I call a poll on empty Q, call the poll on empty Q. If you call poll on empty Q, it will throw the false. But if you check the remove will throw the exception. So that is the difference. Yes. Whoever completed, you can drop it. Yeah, Amar, you can end the number. Amar, please end the meeting, Amar.
Yes, Dash. Thank you. Thank you, students. We'll see you tomorrow. I'm sharing attendance link once again. If anybody miss, so please mark your attendance. We'll not see tomorrow actually. We'll see you on Monday. So Saturday, Sunday, no classes. So next class will be on Monday.